In this video, I will show you exactly how to add a rating scale question layout row into your Typeform project to make your surveys much more engaging and professional. To get started, you will need to navigate over to the left-hand panel where your current question sequence layout list is displayed. Locate the large plus button, which is labeled Add New Question, and give it a click to open up your options. From here, you can either scroll through the various question type menus or simply use the built-in search bar for a faster result. You want to look for and select either the opinion scale or the rating option depending on the specific visual style you are going for. Once you have made your selection, the new question block will appear. Now you can type your main question text directly into the center workspace canvas area, so your audience knows exactly what they are being asked to evaluate. After your question is written, it is time to refine the details. Use the question settings panel located on the right side of the screen to customize your row layout parameters to fit your needs perfectly. First, look at the scale size section where you can adjust the drawdown menu to choose your maximum rating limit. For example, you might want a simple scale from 1 to 5 or a more detailed one that goes up to 10. Next, you can customize the shape and icon settings to change the visual rating indicator element. You can easily switch from standard numeric buttons to more expressive icons such as stars, hearts, or even crowns to match your branding. Finally, you should enable the labels toggle. This allows you to add explicit contextual text underneath your minimum and maximum values. For instance, you could mark the number 1 as not likely and the number 10 as extremely likely to ensure your respondents understand the scoring system. This makes the experience better for everyone.